Greetings from sunny Arizona. I'm sitting here poolside with my dog Jack, and we're just enjoying the weather. It's a little bit windy right now, but it should dissipate in a little bit, just in time for me to head up north. I'm gonna go check out a mountain called Humboldt Mountain. Now, Humboldt Mountain is one of the most beautiful mountains with some of the most amazing sunsets in the entire valley. And the great thing is, you don't have to hike to it, you can drive to it. So it's perfect for picnics or taking little kids, the entire family, and it overlooks Bartlett Lake and just all the mountains. You can see the Superstitions, the McDowells. It is panoramic and absolutely gorgeous. So we're gonna head up after we do a little bit more pool time, right, Jack? I don't think I'm gonna bring Jack with me though. He doesn't do well with other people. I'm not sure how crowded it'll be, but it should be a lot of fun. So let's cue that travel montage. All right, I'm at the top of Humboldt Mountain. I'm the only one here right now. I'm sure some other people will come up when it's closer to sunset, but absolutely gorgeous views up here. You can see Bartlett Lake, you can even see Weaver's Needle actually. So you can see the Superstitions, the McDowells, Bartlett Lake, pretty much everywhere. It is amazing up here, so let's check it out. All right, so I just went down to the lower lookout here to check out the tower from a distance, and a couple Jeeps and SUVs pulled up. So now we're not the only ones up here, which is kind of cool. I think some other people will be up here enjoying the sunset. People tend not to stay very long. They kind of come up, take pictures of the view, and then head back down. But it is really a gorgeous day, a little bit windy, but perfect temperatures up here. So I'm loving it. Can't wait to see the sunset. So a few years ago there was a wildfire, and you can actually see the vegetation behind me is all burnt up. So the wildfire made it all the way up here, which is pretty crazy. The tower that we're at is actually an FAA radar station. They let you up here, but you don't want to go poking around near the fence too much. So it's good to stay clear of that and just kind of enjoy the scenery. This is actually really cool. So far I have the entire place to myself. No one's up here, so I'm just gonna get a lot of cool shots on my film camera here. I'm shooting with the Pentax Super Program, and see how that goes, and then I'll probably time-lapse the sunset, sit here and enjoy it. Wow, this is absolutely incredible. The sun is about to go down. It's actually really cool on this side, but I'm gonna go over to the other side and time-lapse the sunset. It is just gorgeous here. The lake, the colors, the sky, it's on fire. You guys are gonna love it. Check it out.